Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use an Instagram page. We'll start by exploring the basic layout and key sections you'll encounter. You'll learn to effortlessly move between your feed, explore page, and direct messages. This guide helps you quickly grasp the fundamentals, whether new to the platform or looking for a refresher. We'll cover everything from finding friends to understanding content formats, ensuring you feel confident using Instagram. Setting up your profile correctly is crucial for a great first impression. Select a high-quality profile picture, ideally a clear headshot or your brand logo. Your username should be easy to remember and search for. In your bio, include a concise description of who you are or what your page offers, using relevant keywords. Don't forget to add a link to your website. Finally, organize your best stories into highlights, giving visitors a quick overview of your content. Engaging content is the heart of a successful Instagram page. Aim for visually appealing photos and videos, maintaining a consistent aesthetic. Utilize the platform's diverse formats. Short, dynamic reels capture attention, while stories offer a casual, in-the-moment connection. Carousel posts allow sharing up to 10 images or videos in one swipeable post, perfect for tutorials. Always include relevant hashtags to reach a broader audience and encourage interaction through captions and polls. To grow your audience, active engagement is key. Spend about 15 minutes daily interacting with posts from accounts you follow and those in your niche. Leave thoughtful comments and respond to direct messages promptly. Consider collaborating with other creators or businesses for cross-promotion, reaching new potential followers. Share your Instagram handle on your website, email signature, and other social media platforms. Consistency and authentic interaction will steadily expand your reach.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.